For generations, ceilings have served a simple purpose: to provide shelter and enclose our homes. They have been the silent protectors, keeping us safe from the elements and giving us a sense of security. We've often seen them as a blank canvas, a flat white expanse above our heads. This simplicity has allowed us to focus on other aspects of interior design, often overlooking the potential that lies above. But what if we dared to imagine more? What if we could elevate our ceilings from mere functional elements to integral parts of our living spaces? What if our ceilings could be transformed into captivating focal points, seamlessly blending functionality and design? Imagine ceilings that not only protect but also inspire, becoming a canvas for creativity and innovation. Think about the evolution of home design. Over the years, we've seen a remarkable transformation in how we approach our living spaces. We've moved from simple fireplaces to elaborate kitchens, each step reflecting our growing desire for comfort and sophistication. From bare walls to curated galleries, our homes have become expressions of our personalities and tastes. Ceilings are the next frontier. They offer a new dimension to explore, a new way to redefine our living spaces. Futuristic ceiling designs offer a chance to redefine our living spaces, to infuse them with personality and wonder. They can transform a room, making it feel more dynamic and alive. Imagine a ceiling that could mimic the warm glow of sunrise, gently waking you up with a natural light that fills the room, or the twinkling expanse of a starlit night, creating a serene and magical atmosphere right in your bedroom. Picture a surface that responds to your touch, adjusting lighting or even projecting images. This interactivity can make our homes more engaging and personalized. These aren't distant dreams, they are the exciting possibilities of futuristic residential ceilings. With advancements in technology and design, these concepts are becoming more accessible and practical. Let's delve into some of these incredible innovations and see how they can transform our homes. From smart lighting systems to artistic installations, the future of ceilings is bright and full of potential. Join us as we explore the next big thing in home design. LED technology has revolutionized lighting, bringing a new era of illumination to our homes and workplaces. Its application in ceilings is truly transformative, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetics that was previously unimaginable. Imagine a ceiling that can shift colors and patterns, creating different moods and ambiances at the touch of a button. Whether you want a vibrant, energetic space or a calm, serene environment, LED ceilings can adapt to your needs. Want a relaxing, spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom? Program the LEDs to emit a soft, warm glow that soothes your senses and helps you unwind after a long day. Need a burst of energy in your home office? Switch to a cooler, more invigorating light that keeps you alert and focused, enhancing your productivity. But LED ceilings are more than just mood lighting. They offer practical benefits too. They can also be used to create stunning visual effects that transform any space into a work of art. Imagine a starry night sky twinkling above your bed, bringing the beauty of the cosmos into your home. Or a ceiling that ripples with the colors of the northern lights, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates everyone who sees it. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. From dynamic light shows to subtle ambient glows, LED ceilings can do it all. LED ceilings are also incredibly energy efficient, consuming far less power than traditional lighting solutions. This efficiency helps you save money on your electricity bills, making them a cost-effective choice for any household. They have a long lifespan, meaning you won't have to replace them as often as traditional light fixtures. This durability adds to their cost-effectiveness and convenience. And with their sleek, modern look, LED ceilings can instantly update the aesthetic of any room, giving it a contemporary feel. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new space, LED ceilings offer a versatile and stylish lighting solution that enhances any interior. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, and smart ceilings are an integral part of this trend. These ceilings seamlessly integrate technology to enhance convenience, comfort, and control over your living environment. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and even entertainment systems with just your voice or a simple touch on your smartphone. Smart ceilings can be equipped with sensors that detect motion, adjusting lighting levels automatically as you move through your home. They can also be integrated with your home's security system, providing an extra layer of protection. But the possibilities of smart ceilings extend far beyond these basic functions. Imagine a ceiling that can display your favorite artwork, family photos, or even live news feeds. With smart ceilings, your home becomes a dynamic and interactive space, adapting to your needs and preferences effortlessly. Section 4. Fiber optic ceilings, bringing the cosmos indoors. There's something magical about gazing up at a starlit sky. The vast expanse of twinkling stars has a way of making us feel both insignificant and connected to something greater. Fiber optic ceilings bring that sense of wonder and tranquility into your home. Imagine transforming your living space into a personal planetarium, where the night sky is always within reach. These ceilings use tiny strands of fiber optic cables to transmit light, creating the illusion of twinkling stars. Each strand is meticulously placed to mimic the natural randomness of the night sky. Imagine lying in bed and looking up at a breathtaking constellation above you. It's like having a window to the universe right in the comfort of your own bedroom. Or picture a calming starry sky in your bathroom, transforming your nightly routine into a spa-like experience. The gentle glow of the stars can help you unwind and relax after a long day. Fiber optic ceilings can even be programmed to display shooting stars or the ethereal glow of the Milky Way. This dynamic feature adds an extra layer of enchantment, making every glance upward a new experience. Beyond their visual appeal, fiber optic ceilings offer practical benefits. They can enhance the ambience of any room, making it feel more spacious and inviting. They are energy efficient, using a minimal amount of electricity to create their stunning effects. This makes them an eco-friendly choice for modern homes. They are also very low maintenance, requiring little to no upkeep. The fiber optic strands are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that your starry sky remains beautiful for years to come. And because the light source is located at the edge of the ceiling, there is no heat generated, making them safe for use in any room. This feature is particularly beneficial for children's rooms, where safety is a top priority. Additionally, fiber optic ceilings are highly customizable. You can choose from a variety of designs, from simple star patterns to complex constellations, to match your personal taste and decor. The installation process is straightforward and can be done by professionals to ensure the best results. Once installed, you'll have a stunning maintenance-free feature that adds value and beauty to your home. In conclusion, fiber optic ceilings are a unique and captivating way to bring the beauty of the cosmos indoors. They offer both aesthetic and practical benefits, making them a worthwhile investment for any homeowner looking to add a touch of magic to their living space. Section 5. 3D printed ceilings, tailored textures and designs. 3D printing technology has revolutionized manufacturing, and its impact on home design is just beginning to be realized. 3D printed ceilings offer unparalleled customization options, allowing you to create truly unique and personalized designs. Imagine a ceiling with intricate patterns, textures, or even three-dimensional designs. You could choose from a library of pre-designed patterns or work with a designer to create a one-of-a-kind ceiling that reflects your personal style. 3D printing also allows for the integration of functional elements, such as lighting fixtures, speakers, or even air vents, directly into the ceiling design. But 3D printed ceilings are more than just aesthetically pleasing. They can also be engineered to improve acoustics, absorb sound, and even regulate temperature. And because they are printed on demand, there is minimal waste generated during the manufacturing process, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Section 6. Interactive and kinetic ceilings, architecture that moves with you. Imagine a ceiling that responds to your presence, shifting and changing as you move through your home. Interactive and kinetic ceilings are the embodiment of dynamic architecture, blurring the lines between art, technology, and design. These ceilings use sensors, motors, and other technologies to create moving patterns, shapes, or even three-dimensional forms. They can react to sound, light, or even your touch, transforming your ceiling into a captivating and ever-changing focal point. Imagine a ceiling that undulates like waves as you walk beneath it, or one that shimmers and sparkles in response to music. Interactive and kinetic ceilings are still in their early stages of development, but they hold immense potential for transforming our living spaces. They offer a glimpse into a future where our homes are not static structures, but dynamic and responsive environments that adapt to our needs and desires. Section 7. Transforming spaces, the power of futuristic ceilings. For too long we've taken our ceilings for granted, but as we've explored, futuristic ceiling designs offer a world of possibilities for transforming our homes. They can enhance our comfort, stimulate our senses, and inspire our imaginations. Whether it's the dynamic lighting of LED ceilings, the seamless integration of smart technology, the magical allure of fiber optics, the customization of 3D printing, or the dynamic movement of kinetic designs, there's a futuristic ceiling solution for every style and need. So as you embark on your next home design project, don't forget to look up. The ceiling is no longer just a boundary, it's an opportunity to make a statement, to infuse your personality into your living spaces, and to create a home that truly reflects who you are. Embrace the possibilities of futuristic ceiling designs and discover the transformative power they hold.